In this video, I'm going to be showing you how elevators are able to open their doors when an obstacle gets in between the closing time. When you put the hand, when the elevator is closing, it opens the door. I'm going to be showing you what they use to achieve that. What they used what we call photocell sensors, which are supported by bolts that pass through these holes behind here. So they are put at the edges of the cabin door. You see over here, this is a smooth surface where the photocell sensors are going to be put. They run all the way from the bottom up to the top of the cabin. You can see up there, because I'm down here. We use what we call photocell sensors. Let me show them to you in a minute. See over here, this is how they come wrapped up. They have to be protected very well to prevent any damage. They are delicate pieces of material on the elevator. They control the opening and the closing of the door in case there is someone. So here let me power them out and you see. Alrighty, here we go. You can see these black strips. They have blue, whatever color it is. So these are the photocell sensors. You can see they have holes for supporting using bolts. So inside there they have their own power unit that controls them, and we get these photocell sensors and we install them on the door cabin, on the cabin door. Alrighty, so here the photocell sensors, they've already been installed in their permanent position. These are what the elevators use to see if there is someone or an obstacle in the doorway.